Running his mothers on the brief entertainer. When I feel a window, just a little stranger. Trying to keep on the resident. Watching the devil like a cautious son. What's all about your mind? I'm reading more windows in the whole lifetime. You know, alright, I'm listening to all that. With the eyes out of everything, with my back. The world is so right, so it's short, my short. It's like a black hole. I don't see the whole windows in the
Slide down the window and watch us roll. 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 Good when the window's hazy. You gotta wear it till your head moves to baby. Slide down the window and watch us roll. Slide down the window and watch us roll.
Till Wednesday in the house. So today, Wednesday, I want to talk about, of course, Wagtail products, Wagtail stuff. So, as you well know, I have recently acquired the Xero Trad Pro. For those who actually use a Wagtail and want to see about this, they've actually made it so that you can enjoy this pole this much better and step your game up by having an angle adapter. Now, I've been missing this angle adapter. You guys know that I've lost it. I had two of them, as a matter of fact. Somehow they're missing, or got stolen, or I left it. So I just wanted to say, if you hadn't had a chance to get a Wagtail angle adapter, if you want to check out my previous previous videos about this Wagtail angle adapter, it's in the playlist. I think it's titled The Wagtail Angle Adapter and What Most Don't Explain. I have a 2 or 3 part video series about a Wagtail angle adapter. It gets into this in detail. How to utilize it to your advantage, how to utilize it as a ledger, how to utilize it as a swiveling machine, and how to utilize this as a tool so you're not able to cut this window in two. Now, as you can see, there's a deep ledge, and on this deep ledge, you have to come down a few inches. So it's not like you could pass the table. Yeah, of course you could probably move the table, but we're talking about saving time and working smart. So this angle adapter will allow you to bypass this table and allow you to clean it all in one motion from top to bottom without cutting the window and bringing it down head level. This would be next to nearly impossible without an angle adapter. I can do it without an angle adapter, but most people can't. Instead of fighting, it's easier for them to bring it down head level and then cut the rest with the bottom. Now, I don't have my GoPro on today, so I'm not going to show you how I utilize this Wagtail angle adapter in here. I've already made a video about that in this place in particular, because this place is a good example on such a handy tool. You don't have to just get it from a window cleaning resource, but if you have a trad pole, I suggest you do, because it's just something you want to have in your arsenal, because they're the only ones so far to have this angle adapter in combination with a trad pole. unless, of course, you're like me and a few other people and you like modding things yourself. Even if you didn't have this pole, I suggest you call and order the angle adapter for your regular traditional aluminum pole. I don't care where you get it from, but I think you should get it. It's just something you want to have. It is real handy. Like I said, it mimics your wrist. So when you're swiveling, you have that same motion without having to manipulate your body in all types of positions just to clean the window and get it down in one motion. Work smart, not hard. Stop cutting a window like this in two. Get an angle adapter and save yourself trouble and clean it all in one motion. You'd be surprised how much time you can cut out and save, like 10 minutes. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I gotta get to work. Bam!